Okay, so the thing I'm gonna do here is basically try to understand. So monitors, get all the monitors, just sample JSON for now. And parent to look for is null, okay. And I pop it out. So that is so null will be there, and I get the monitors, and get the monitor from it, and then check if it's a group, this group. If it has a parent to look for, then go ahead, and since it's null in this case, both are equal. This will be null and this will be null, so only then it'll come here, and if it's null, then it won't go in here. And I'll say parent is null, right? In which case, it'll go ahead and say what is a monitor, add monitor request, and then add it. And then the next thing to do is basically look at the next monitor, and it will add it, and it will just stop. Is that right? So as of now, that's what's happening, I think, right? I just say add all monitors, these two get added and it gets stopped, right? So as of now, the one thing I'm noticing is monitors added is empty initially, that's fine. You add this, again monitors added is empty. Later it says this, right? So you are basically calling this emit self emit dot add, right? And it goes off to the next call. So ideally I would want the next call to happen only when this is done. I think the only way to do this is by just breaking it off here, right? And now again this will come up, right? And then it will say parents to look for is pop this, and when do you know you're done looking for all the parents? You can't just say add and then just break, add one thing and break. One thing I can think of is maybe I can just pop out from this. Make it a list of monitors, and then remove the first one, add it, and then look for all the ones that have that as the parent. Tricky stuff, but at least I'll know what I'm doing. So first make it into a list, pop out from the list and then add it, and then again go through the list and look at other monitors that have parent as null. Once it's done, then let's look for Uh, and remove those by the way. Okay, so damn, this is getting tricky. I need to solve it using a basic way first, I think. I think I'll have to process the monitors list first and then go ahead and you know I should have a graph of these. Yeah, that's better, I think. Graph would be a better way to go. How do I create the graph? um, tricky. So go to 10 and then 11, 12 will be under that, okay. But if I say, if I look at something and say it's 14 and the thing is 11, I have to go through 10 to find out 11. I think I'll have to have like an array of arrays where the first one would be just the ones without parent. Go through that. Next one would be the ones with one of the things as the parent. Go through that, and so on. But I need to get this array first. So instead of adding it and then looking at monitors added, I would say I'd say something like first array would be so if it's something like 10, so 1 and then 10, 52 and then 2, 11 and 53 if I can just get 1 and 2 first and then add them, later get the children of 1, which is 10, add that, later 10, we have 10 and 2 left, so we'll go through 1, then we'll go through 2, and then we'll go through the children of 1, and then finally the children of 2. So let me see. So I have parents to look for, pop it up, okay, null.